The Caribbean is heating up, and it's not about beaches or tourists. Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro has issued a sharp warning. US troops cannot invade Venezuela, while he's making it very clear that his country will defend itself at all the costs. You know why there is tensions? Reports say that 7 US warships and nuclear-powered submarines are either already in the Caribbean or expected soon. While the US calls it a mission to ensure regional security and fight drug trafficking, Maduro sees it as a provocation, a direct challenge to Venezuela's sovereignty. Maduro isn't stopping at words here. Venezuela has deployed drones reportedly supplied by Iran, mobilized naval forces, and rallied millions of militia members ready to protect the nation. This is a clear show of military strength, sending a message, a warning to US as signaling that Venezuela won't back down. Let's look at a bigger picture now. The bigger picture is also very important here. The US is concerned about Iran, Russia, and China expanding its influence in Latin America, and Venezuela is right at the center. Every single move by Caracas is scrutinized, and Washington's every move is being watched closely. The Caribbean has become a stage for the global power showdown right now. So the big question is, will this remain a war of words and show of force, or it could escalate into a real conflict? For now, Venezuela is standing tall, sending a clear message: don't test us.